Hello and welcome to our recipe lesson for Herrencreme, a delicious vanilla dessert spiked with rum and tender chocolate shavings. It is usually served at special occasions like holidays and Christmas celebrations in Westphalia, Germany, and will make an amazing showstopper at your dinner table. Start with adding sugar, salt and cornstarch to a small saucepan and blend everything well together. Then add the milk, heavy cream, rum and the egg yolks. Whisk the mixture until all dry ingredients are completely dissolved. Then cook it over medium-high heat while whisking until the mixture is thickening. You will need some patience as this will take about 10 minutes. You know it is ready when it starts to bubble in the center. Now you can remove the saucepan from the heat, add the butter and vanilla extract and blend it all well together. Pour the mixture into a bowl and lightly press a piece of plastic wrap on top to prevent a skin forming on top of the pudding cream. Store the bowl in the fridge, especially if you don't plan to use it the same day. Chop the chocolate into small shavings, or use a potato peeler like I here, and you get some really cute little nice curls. When it's warm or you want to prepare the chocolate shaving the day before, a little tip is to put it in an airtight container and just store it in the freezer until you assemble the dessert. Then whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Make sure the pudding is cold and then add the chocolate shavings and mix lightly. Make sure you reserve some chocolate shavings for the decor. Then carefully fold in the heavy whipping cream. Portion the cream into individual glasses and chill them for a couple of hours. Sprinkle the dessert with chocolate shavings before service and garnish with a couple of raspberries or other fresh fruit you have on hand. Guten Appetit!